Cheers for a healthy and nutritious breakfast that's ready in just under 4 minutes. This instant oatmeal recipe, typically found in a Quaker oatmeal packets, but are made with short listed of whole ingredients you can feel about good about putting in your body. There are so many ways to enjoy oatmeal: overnight, stove-topped, slow cooker, and an instant pot. But nothing is faster than using instant oats. It takes no more than 4 minutes to make this perfect bowl of instant oatmeal in the microwave. Oats are great for weight loss because they high in fiber and 100% whole grains. Keep your instant oatmeal pack with healthy toppings, fresh fruits, raisins. Every choices you made, it's full of flavor and it's so good. You're off to a healthy and nutrient rich start to your day.